Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba i3 error 26. So guys, this error means there's a charging or battery performance issue. So the robot isn't not holding power correctly or isn't getting any power enough. First, press and hold the clean button for 20 seconds until it shuts off and wait a few seconds and then press clean again to power back on. And this simple restart can fix the issue. If it doesn't, clean the charging contacts. So flip the Roomba over and use a dry cloth or alcohol wipe to clean the two charging contacts and also clean the contacts on the home base as well. Now, another one is you could place Roomba on the home base and let it charge for at least 2 hours uninterrupted, and this should fix the issue. And that's simply about it. I hope these solutions help you out. Thanks for watching.